Hi, I'm George Argo with Argo Electrical Services, and I am the surge protector guy. And today we're going to talk about how to run an electrical wire to a garden fountain. We're here in my garden at my home, and eventually we're going to put a regular garden fountain out here. But the first thing that we want to do is supply an electrical line. Now, my garden fountain motor is going to use a 20 amp circuit. So what we have here is a 12-2 with a ground direct burial wire. The 12-2 would be good for 20 amps, a 20 amp circuit. What I have here is a trenching tool. It's actually a homemade job by one of the local welding contractors here, but what this guy does is it makes a wedge down in the dirt about 12 inches deep. Optimally, you'd like to have it from 12 to 18 inches for the depth of your wire, but you see, I just make the hole right here and I put the wire down in it. Now, you also see I have a caution tape here. Anytime that we bury electrical wire underground, we want to put a caution tape there, so if anybody comes back across it with some kind of a trenching tool or a shovel or anything else, they need to realize that there's the potential for a live electrical circuit there. Once again, I'm George Argo with Argo Electrical Services, and I am the surge protector guy. And you just watched how to run an electrical wire to your garden fountain.